On to a Q20 18 slot 1 question. Short one, logarithm generally should be fine, right? Shouldn't miss out on these. Let's push for it in 60 seconds. Yeah. If x is a positive quantity such that 2 power x equals 3 power log 2 to the base 5, then x is equal to which of these, right? When you have it in this form, you know that these two can be switched. And I'll do that because I have 2 power something. So 2 power x equals 2 power log 3 to the base 5. 2 knocked off x is nothing but log 3 to the base 5. So which of these over here is log 3 to the base 5? I have log 5 to the base 3. I don't want this. Log 3 to the base 5. No, it's 9 and 8. So probably not these. Should be this. Let's try out. Log 3 to the base 5 minus log 5 to the base 5. Log 5 to the base 5 is 1. 1 and minus 1 cancelled. Option 2 is the answer. And that's it. You're done with it. By just observation, you can finish it. In case you're wondering as to how to get this, right? So 1 plus log 3 by 5 to the base 5, right? Log a by b is log a minus log b. So log 3 to the base 5 minus log 5 to the base 5. This is what this is. So log 5 to the base 5 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So you're just getting a log 3 to the base 5, right? That's what x value is. Therefore, option 2 over here is the answer. Once again, go through the logarithm basics, right? The rules over there, and you would know that, you can just switch these two and life becomes so easy the moment you bring this down, because the bases are equal. You can get rid of them. The powers should be equal, and that's it. You're done with the answer.